Hi. So you're assembling a fire pit
I am.
for us. It's a very nice birthday gift.
Yes.
Yes. So, I have a question for you. How would you say that doing something as banal as assembling a fire pit is informed by your Wing Tsun practice?
Mindfulness.
Because what often happens when there's things that look like this, like here we have to turn it this way. There's this, or there's all the instructions. Usually there's a piece missing, and then what happens? Cursing. Cursing often happens. So,
Well, I mean, it's a fire pit. It's not that hard to put together.
nonetheless.
So, it's like any task, any form you're training, or anything you're doing around the house, washing dishes. You just try to keep your mind exactly on that, what you're doing.
Mm-hmm.
And keep it mindful and peaceful. And when you have one mind like that, you just work, get things done. Very calm, everything's very calm, peaceful kind of a way.
Yeah. Anything else you want to add? Should I ask you some more questions, or do you want to end it here?
You can ask questions.
So, but yeah, I mean, it seems, I love this example because here's the thing, and you're like, oh, here's this wobbly thing, and definitely it could be something that could be a little stress producing or whatever.
Could be.
Yeah. Wouldn't be the first time that happened to a
It's a
person.
little, can be a little awkward when you
Yeah.
but,
So is there anything that you think, like, how do you practice bringing your Wing Tsun awareness, like your mindfulness, which is into fire pit assembling?
how?
Oh, lots of packaging. Oh
Yeah,
boy,
lots of
that's a source of aggravation.
Packaging's more frustrating than anything.
Yeah.
Well, it's just habit, you practice the forms in a very mindful way, you sort of meditate through it. And if you do that enough, you can bring it to just about anything you're doing, any task you're doing.
Yeah.
Wash the dishes, vacuum, mop. You turn it all into working meditation, moving meditation.
Yeah. It sounds like kind of what you're saying is like some of these are tasks that a lot of us might be like, not my favorite thing.
Right.
Doing dishes, mopping, assembling things.
Yeah, some people
With
look at it and it's complain about it and whatnot. But in fact, if you approach it with mindfulness, then nothing's particularly hard.
Yeah.
I'm not perfect at it all the time.
No.
But I think
None of
that
us is.
the more people practice their kung fu and bring that kind of mind into it, the easier it becomes for you.
Yeah. All right. Makes sense. All right, let's leave it there then. Here we are in the garden. Those are not sculptures, they're plants being protected by from cold and from a cat who likes to sleep in them. Keep your kung fu calm even with the instructions. All right, say goodbye, Sifu.
Have a good day, everyone.